All right. Oh, man. Hey, we got something. Looky there. Looky there. Got us a little bass. Little bass. Little bass. On the tiny, tiny, tiny hook. Got him right in the thick stuff. So let's get the pliers a hold of him. Let's see if we can't get this hook out this fish's mouth. Come on, quit pulling everything out and just come out with the pliers. Pliers, just pliers. Not everything else. What the heck is that? My goodness. You think we could catch it, hook more? Because I really feel like we could. Yeah. I just put the pliers in my hand to look good. There he is. He ain't no monster. But he's a nice one. So you know what that means. Picture time. And I never want to sun comes up. Looking for a life and a topic to